Are you manually adding all of your leads to your client management tool? Wouldn't it be nice if they just popped in automatically as soon as someone inquires with you? And do you wish that you could stand out from your competition by having an email automatically send to your potential client as soon as they reach out instead of having to wait until you can manually respond to them? Well, let me show you exactly how to do that using my two very favorite tools, Dubsado and Showit. Hi and welcome back. My name is Carissa and I'm a Showit design partner. On this channel, I make videos to make it easier for you to design and launch your website on Showit. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make your inquiry collection process so much easier and user-friendly from all sides of the equation. And the cherry on top, I'll show you how you can stand out from your competitors and book more clients. I mean, who wouldn't want that, right? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to install your Dubsado Lead Capture form into your Showit website so that you can start booking more clients. So let's go ahead and start right in Dubsado. Now, if you're not using a client management tool to manage your clients and your projects, I highly recommend using one. And Dubsado is the example I'll be showing you in this video. There's not a day that goes by that I don't open up this tool, and it seriously makes the biggest difference in increasing the professionalism of my business altogether. Just like any other system like Honeybook or 17 Hats, Dubsado has an option to create a lead capture form which you can use to put on your contact page of your website so you can start collecting information from people who are interested in booking with you. When you go to create a new lead form in Dubsado, it automatically generates a lead form for you, so all you need to do is make any edits as needed. I always recommend keeping your form simple so it's not intimidating to a hesitant potential buyer. Then you can adjust any additional settings here under the settings menu, but once you have your form all set up the way that you want it to be, it's time to add it to your Showit website. To do this, first you'll need to save it and then you'll hit share. Here, you'll just want to copy the code that's in this box. Now let's pop back over to Showit. Since we have our own lead form from Dubsado that we'll be using, we can delete the fields that are already here in your template design. And then that code that we just copied, now we'll need to insert that into the page. We can do that by first adding an embed code from the bottom of the builder here. And then now we can double click into that box and then paste the code. And then just hit save. Then you'll see that form that you created show up. You may need to adjust the form a bit to make it so that it all shows up in your box. And then we may need to adjust the design accordingly, like we made the canvas a little bit bigger, and we may need to adjust this box so that it extends the length of the contact form. Then just double check that it looks good on mobile as well. You want the user experience to be just as good or better on mobile as it is on desktop version. So we'll expand that out a bit. We'll drag that down, make our background bigger. All right, and I think that looks pretty good. And then once you have it the way that you want it, just be sure to preview it to make sure that it all looks good in a real window. Then you should be all set to go. Now to take it one step further, you can make sure that someone receives an automatic email from you right away as soon as they submit that contact form. Dubsado is great in the way that it has what's called a workflow, so that as soon as someone submits the form, they get an automatic email sent straight to them referring to the information that they were requesting. This will keep you as the business owner top of mind to that client because they're likely reaching out to several other business owners for this service. And when they get an automatic email right away back from you, you'll stand out in their mind. And if you offer a variety of different services, you can even set it up so that they get an email that refers to the exact service that they were reaching out about, which is pretty cool. I'll leave a link below to where you can find more information about this, but that's the gist of how to add a Dubsado lead capture form to your Showit website. For more tips and tricks on how to design your website in Showit, be sure to hit subscribe and I'll see you in that next video.